Today I'm going to show you how to make some easy, super easy lacto-fermented vegetables. They come out tasting a bit zesty and tart, a little different than pickles, not vinegary, a little bit umami. So first of all, I put 1 tablespoon of salt in 1 liter of boiling water, and then I let that come to room temperature. Meanwhile, I layered cauliflower, some cilantro, and some coriander seeds, some black mustard seeds, those are Indian, and some garlic. That's going to be my aromatics for the cauliflower today. And you make sure that you pack them really tight because the salt draws out the moisture, shrinking the vegetables, and you don't want them floating in the water, in the brine later. So pack them super tight. Just finish that one off, the last layer. And then my carrots, I don't peel my carrots. A lot of the fiber and nutrients is in the skin, so you just scrub them really well, and again, pack them super tight, and you'll see tomorrow and the next day why. Now my carrots, normally you could put some parsley, dill, and garlic, but I like caraway. Caraway is one of my favorite seeds, and they're quite strong, so I'm just putting caraway. And then all you do is fill to the top with the salt water, or our brine, the beginnings of our brine at least. So we want them completely submerged, the vegetables. That makes sure that no mold grows. And how I ensure that, this is a little trick of mine, I just use some plastic 1 cup lids. Yeah, so then I just put my lids on, and then that makes sure that the vegetables stay submerged. And I put them in a little tray, and we're gonna store this at room temperature or a little higher, like 22, 23 degrees is great to get the fermenting started. And we leave it in the tray because you'll see there'll be some bubbling over. Stay tuned till tomorrow. Santé. So here we are, day 2. We're going to replace any absorbed salt water that's been absorbed into the vegetables. We're going to replace and has possibly bubbled over. Hear that little pop and the fizzing action. You see that a little bit? That's showing us that our fermentation is working. And carrots, same thing. That's good. This means our active fermentation has started. And let's give a little more. This is all we do. We burp it. This is called burping it. We do this every day until the fizzing stops. Once the fizzing stopped, might be 4, 5, 6 days. That means it is done most of its active fermentation. And replace the lids and check them again tomorrow. And you'll see it's starting to get a little bit cloudy, and that's exactly what it's supposed to do. Santé!